we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. We are in one of the few old growth forests on Vancouver Island. I felt to stop by for this new beginning of the year. And yeah, I stopped a couple of times here, but always feels good to look at all those giant trees.
Right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
And I came here, this little boutique kind of like area. Everything is closed. Every time I come here, everything is closed. I guess it's only open in the summer. But we're still gonna sneak around. This is the gold book. The training and the weight loss in the 80s. There's not even, it's all text. This is it's all like stretch or whatever, and they like telling you that you can lose body weight, body fat with that. This one you can lose some arm jiggly fat. That's so funny. I can tone my face with this. There's a campground here. You know. That's pretty good. It's $11 in the winter. That's cool. Oh, I didn't know that we had an option here. Oh, and some sites have the river behind. That's cool. We'll see. I might come back. I don't know. Might come back. So this is my first time in this provincial park. Seems to be quite cool. I think we're gonna stay at the campground. I don't know. I've been thinking about it. It's gorgeous here. So I think in the fall time when the water is a little bit better, more calm, there's a ladder for the fish to go spawn up the tree. I think that's what it is. They said that the fish usually wait here in this quiet spot, which is not important right now, and get all the energy to go back up. Gonna have to come back around September and see all the salmon. Try to go up the ladder. It's got a couple of places too as well that I saw before around Salmon Arm. It's like full of salmon there. It's crazy. I'm never the good timing though to go see them, but at one point we will. How does my cat know that I'm coming? Always. Always there for me. Yeah, I'm coming. So I think we're just gonna drive back to the campground. I think we're gonna spend the night there. That's gonna be our spot for tonight. Right beside. I grabbed this chair to put this camera on it because my tripod problem. I had full of sand inside here. Oh no, I have some here too as well. No. So I was to make something to eat and go with Kitty outside after that. I think it started raining. I don't know if it's the trees that the water come down or if it's raining. It's kind of one of those days. But we're still gonna make a little something. First of all, I think we're gonna have a hot chocolate. Okay, put that there. Hot chocolate. And those veggie ball at IKEA. They are so good. All right, lunch, dinner. Let's go. Look at it. So we're going for a little walk with Miss Kitty. Wanted to let you know, guys, that everything will be back on my website. You know, I've been having problem with my website since November. I could not send you anything because of the mail post strike. It's now over, and I did receive my sticker, a brand new sticker of Kitty. I'm gonna put on my cars. I know it's not the best time for all of this, but you know, that's what I have. That's what I had to do. It was supposed to be in November, and yeah, I could never do that. So everything is back on my website. Yay! I think Miss Kitty decided to go back to the van. She's like, it's nice and warm in the van. Alright, Kitty's back in the van. We're gonna walk because it's been raining and raining and raining, and every time it stops raining I try to go outside and enjoy the weather. This is cool. Look like lettuce, but it's a piece of moss that fell. That's cool. Good morning, everyone. I slept like a baby. It was so quiet here last night. It's like past 7:30. It's still like so dark. This is the problem. Get dark so early and dark so late. I think we're gonna spend a little bit of time inside and remove the Christmas decoration. I think it's time. I think it's over. It's over, Kitty. I think we are the only one who slept I thought that another vehicle has stopped there, but no. We are the only one. This whole campground on a weekend. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's not the best weather, but it's not the worst either. So I think we're gonna slowly make it back to town. I think we are like 10 minutes from Port Alberta, something around this, 10-15. But I only have like one bar self-service, and I don't have too much tree to put starting here. So we're gonna go back in town, do a couple of things online, but definitely a beautiful place that I'm gonna come back. It's gorgeous, especially at fall when the fish go back stream. That's probably a nice place to come. It's probably way busier though. But I hope you guys enjoy. I had a lot of great time. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And obviously, and Happy New Year by the way. And obviously, I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Give them a kiss. Hey Kitty, it's kissing time. Kissing time. Kitty. 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 Little kiss. Oh, come on. There you go. That's better. Alright guys, Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next one.